loves! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. At may vlog po tayo ngayon. At ang vlog po natin ngayon ay magmumukbang tayo ng ayan. Diba? Ang laki niyan. Try natin kung ilan yung mauubos natin. Bilangin nga natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 times 6. So, meron tayong 48 pieces. Ayan, so try natin kung ilan yung mapumukbang natin, kung talagang fan talaga ako ng ng chocolates. So, let's eat. Sumapit. Let's eat. So, ayan guys. Ayan. So, first, i-unbox ko muna. Oops, kailangan ko ng kunting. Wait lang. So, ayun, bubuntingin ko na. Wow, yummers. Ayan, tcharan. Ayan, ayan. So, ayan guys, magbumukbang na tayo ng Ferrero. Ayan, 48 pieces. So, buksan ko muna. May nagbigay lang guys, kaya sabi ko, gagawin kong content. Inulukbang ko siya. Kung malapit lang ako sa Pinas, pina-RBC ko na ito sa mga mga pamangkin ko. So, ito na guys. Tcharan! Ayan, 48 pieces yung imumukbang natin. Ayan. So, start na ako ha. So, ayan, let's start na guys. Start na ako. Try natin kung ilan yung maubos natin. Malapit lang talaga yung Pilipinas. Nagpadala na ako ng pananggan. Hazelnut. Pang-apat. First time ko kain ng Ferrero ng mabilisan kasi madalas nilalamnan ko kayo kahit unti-unti yung kain.
told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So ayun mga lods, hindi ko na kayang kumain pa. Nakaubos na ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces lang yung nabawas. Ayun o, hindi ko na kaya. Akala ko maubos ko siya, hindi pala. Bigla ako naumay. So dito na nagtatapos ang ating mukbang ng Ferrero. Hindi ko pala talaga kaya yung 48 pieces. Ang nakain ko lang 11 pieces. Ayan. Nakakaumay din pala siya, guys. Siguro, after nito, mga ilang araw ko pa siya ulit makakain. Kasi ganoon ako pag nag-crave ako, tapos, yung kain ko ng kain, tapos, feeling ko, naumay ako. Ilang araw na naman bago ako makakain. Kaya, dadalhin ko na lang sa work, papamigay ko sa mga kasama ko. So, at kung nagustuhan yung mga loves, yung mukbang natin ngayon, at gusto nyo mag-request ng ipapamukbang, comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo ipapamukbang sa akin next time. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Egeline Grace Vlog. And thank you! Bye-bye!
It's Ashley, baby.
Enter to the motherfucking game.